Good morning. Welcome to second segment mathematics for standard 7. And this video I'm going to discuss your second chapter, that is fractions and decimal. Fraction, maybe in standard 6 you have taught by your teacher. A fraction is a number which represent a part of it. A fraction is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are the whole numbers and q is not equal to 0. Now classification of fraction or type of fraction. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than 0 but less than its denominator is called proper fraction. Suppose I'm giving one example, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, etc. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 12 by 5, 19 by 7, etc. Now you have noticed one thing, 7. For example, a number is 7. 7 I can write what? 7 by 1. This is also improper fraction, remember. Okay. Now mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means a number that consists of two parts, a natural number and proper fraction. For example, 3 whole 5 by 7. Okay. Now decimal fraction. What do you mean by decimal fraction? Decimal fraction means a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. is known as decimal fraction. Suppose 3 by 10, 7 by 100, etc. Now vulgar fraction. What do you mean by vulgar fraction? A fraction whose denominator is a number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, seven by 11, 5 by 214, 17 by 18, etc. Now like fraction. What do you mean by like fraction? As we know, if all the denominators are same number is known as like fraction. Unlike fraction, if the denominator is different, suppose 3 by 5, 7 by 11, etc. Okay. Now equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means same number, same fraction, means have same value. Suppose 1 by 2 equal to, I can write 2 by 4. If you reduce it, it will come to 1 by 2 only. Now simplest form of a fraction means reduced. Reduced form means a fraction cannot be divided more. Okay. Now decimals. What do you mean by decimals? As we know, decimals means a dot between two digits. A dot between two digits. Here two types of decimals are there, like decimal and unlike decimals. Like decimals means, suppose, have you seen 3.5, 8.5, 9.2? See, the point is coming after one digit and before one digit. Okay. Now one more example, 3.51, 7.51. So point is coming what? Point is coming before two digit. This is known as what? Like decimal. Unlike decimals means, as we know, 3.5, 3.057. See, the point is coming. Says 2.1, chapter 2. Here it is given. What fraction of each of the following figure is shaded part? So I'm just discussing question number 1. Here, first of all, you say see the shaded part. Shaded part equal to what? Shaded part equal to 2, and whole equal to what? Whole part equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part. Therefore fraction will be what? Fraction will be 2 by 8. Now we can go for the lowest part, means lowest term. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. 1 by 24. This is our required answer. Question number 2. What fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? So write down solution. First of all, we know, or since 1 hour equal to 60 minute, therefore fraction will be what? Fraction will be 35 minutes by 60. So do it lowest term. So 5 7s are 35 and 5 12s are 60. Therefore 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Fraction will be 7 by 12. Question number 6 first. It is given reduce 48 by 72 to simplest form. First of all, we have to take ACF. Now, since ACF of 48 and 72, as we know, ACF of 48 and 72 equal to what? 24. Therefore I can write 48 will be divided by whom? 24, and 72 divided by 24. So this is what? 2 and this is 3. Therefore 2 by 3. See question number 9 first. Arrange in ascending order 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 9 by 14 and 20 by 21. First of all, we have to take LCM. LCM of 7, 8, 14 and 21. It will be 168. 168. Now we have to make 168 all the denominator parts which is given in your question. So 5 by 7 into 24 by 24, it will be 120 by 168. Now 3 by 8 we have to multiply by 21, numerator and denominator both, therefore it will be 63 by 168. Now 9 by 14. 9 by 14 we have to multiply by 12, numerator and denominator. Therefore 108 by 168. Now last one, 20 by 21. We have to multiply by 8. It will be 160 by 168. Therefore ascending order will be what? You have to write smaller to bigger. 3 by 8, 9 by 14, 5 by 7, 20 by 21. This is the all the possible sum from exercise 2.1. 7 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 whole 5 by 6 and plus 7 by 8. First of all, we have to take LCM 4, 6 and 8. Okay, now we have to change, and this one also improper fraction also, because it is given mixed fraction. So this will be what? 4 into 7 plus 3 means 31 by 4, and this is 3, 6 and 18 plus 3, this will be 23 by 6 plus 7 by 8. Now take LCM. LCM of 4, 6 and 8, it will be 24. As we know, if LCM is 24 and this is denominator we will divide, and whatever the means after dividing the number will come, that number will multiply with numerator. So write down 24, and this is what? 4 into 6, 24, and 6 into 31. In between the minus sign is there. This is 4 into 23. Here 3, 8 are 24 into 7. It will be, write down, 186 and minus 92 plus 21 by 24. Take all the addition sign one side. 186 plus 21 minus 92 by 24. Add. This will be, after adding, I will get what? 6, 4, 8. So this is 7, 6 and 1. 6, 1, 7, 8 and 2, 10, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 207 minus 92 by 24. It will be what? 7 minus 2 means 5 and 20. This is 115 by 24. We cannot reduce it lowest term, so this will be our final answer. Now see question number 4, exercise 2.2. It is given Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Reshma solved 4 by 5 of it. Who solved lesser part by how much? Means first of all I have to write Ramesh. How much part Ramesh solved? According to your question number 4, C. Ramesh solved 2 by 7. Ramesh solution. Ramesh this is SH. Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part. 2 by 7 part. Reshma solved equal to what? 4 by 5 part. So Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part, Reshma solved 4 by 5 part. And first of all, who solved maximum and how much? Means who solved, according to your question it is who solved lesser part and how much. Who solved lesser part and how much? First of all we have to take LCM, because denominator we have to first make same, then we will go for means compare the numerator. So LCM of 7 and 5 equal to 35. Now LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Now 2 by 7 we have to make this one means denominator part 35. So I can write 2 by 7 equal to 2 by 7 into, in which table if I will multiply 7 it will come 35, because here see 5, so I have to multiplied by 5, so this is 10 and this is 35. This is the Ramesh solved. Who solved? Ramesh solved this one. Okay, now this one you can write Ramesh solved better. Ramesh solved this much part. Now Reshma solved what? 4 by 5. I have to make the denominator 35, so I have to multiply by 7. Okay, so this is 28 by 35. Now see, from here I can compare. The denominator part is same. Whose numerator is greater? Obviously Reshma. Therefore what? 28 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35. 10 by 35. Therefore Ramesh solved lesser part. By how much? You have to subtract it. Subtract means what? 28 by 35 minus 10 by 35, because this is 35 and this is 18. So 18 by 35 part. This is your required answer. Write down. After that we will go for 2.3. See those questions. This question, exercise 2.3, it is given find 2 by 3 of 18. As we know, means before I told what do you mean by means of means multiply here. So solution I can write solution what? 2 by 3 instead of I can write multiply sign 18. This is what? 6. So 6 to the 12. This is your required answer. Now 2.3 question number 5, which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. First of all you have to compare this part. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4 means I can write what? This is 2 to the 4, this is 1, means 3 by 14, and here 3 by 4, 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 8, 5 cancel, it will be what? 3 by 8. Now which is greater? I have to, first of all I have to take LCM, and once again the whatever the rule means we have to make the LCM means denominator same. Now LCM of 14 and 8. 14 and 8. It will be 56. Now 3 by 14 I have to make what? 56. So I will multiply by what? 4. So it will be what? 12 by 56, and this one is what? 3 by 8. I have to multiply by 7. So this is 21 by 56. Which is greater? So compare 21. Therefore 21 by 56 is greater than whom? 12 by 56. Therefore what? 3 by 8 3 3 by 8 means what? That is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. This is your required answer. Write down. See question number 9. Question number 9, it is written, means according to your book, it is given that Sushant reads 1 by 3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will he read in 2 whole 1 by 5 hours? So according to the question, it seems to be just multiply, because 1 hour Sushant read 1 by 3 part, therefore 2 whole 1 by 2. First of all, mixed fraction given, I have to change into improper fraction. I've already written, since in 1 hour Sushant reads 1 by 3 part, therefore 2 whole 1 by 5. 2 whole 1 by 5 hours means what? 2 5s are 10s, 11 by 5 hours. So it will multiply only, therefore he reads in 11 by 5 hours equal to what? 11 by 5 into the part means what? 1 by 3. So it will be what? 11 by 15 part. This is your required answer. This is sums of 2.3. Now we have to move 2.4 exercise. Now exercise 2.4, it is given, find the reciprocal of 3 by 7. Simple reciprocal means what? Denominator will go up and numerator will come down. So I can write the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Now go for question number 4. Question number 4, it is given that according to your book, it is given, by what number should 4 whole 7 by 8 be multiplied to get 87 whole 3 by 4? So what number I have to multiply? I don't know. So let the number be x. I have to multiply this number. So 4 whole 7 by 8 I have to multiply into x. Then I will get what? Then I will get 87 whole 3 by 4. Now this is mixed fraction. So we have to change into what? Improper fraction. So this will come 39 by 8 x into x, or this will be what? 350 is 80, 28 and yes 351. So 351 by 4. Therefore x equal to what? So x equal to 351 by 4 divide 39 by 8. This implies that what? Do it reciprocal means change the sign, then it will change the sign also na. So 351 by 4, this is divide sign, so multiply means what? 8 will go up and 39 will come down. So this is 2, and now it will go by in which table? 9, because 9 9s are 81. Yes, it will go by 9. Therefore 9 into 2, 18. This is your required answer. So I have